Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shafali and today's video I'm going to share how you can download all the research papers that you want without any subscription and without any payments. Whenever we search for any research paper in Google or in some other website, usually we get research papers which are of premium, like we have to subscribe them, we have to do some payments and all, then only we can access to those research papers. But in this video I'm going to tell how you can freely access all the newspapers. So without any further, let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is just to open your favorite browser. So here I'm opening a Chrome browser. So my Chrome browser is ready. You can use any of the browsers like Mozilla, Firefox, Chrome browser or any other browser that you have. Then what you have to do, you just have to search for Google Scholar, and then after searching for this you will get a link. Then just click on first link, don't go downwards or anywhere, or just search the topic that you want research papers of. So I want research papers of financial crime by Wiley. So what is Wiley? Wiley is a publication, so I want all the research paper published by Wiley publication. I don't want any other publication, I just want a particular publication. So if you want that you need all the publications, like different publications, then you can only search financial crime or any other topic that you want to search. But if you want a particular publication, then you can search like this, like financial crime by Wiley, Emerald or elsewhere, or any other publication that you are supposed to do. So here I'm searching this one and just press enter. So you will get all the details, all the research papers which is published by Wiley publication. So as you can see, you don't have access to all the publications, like all the research papers which are here, like so the first one, if we talk about the first one, you can easily access it by clicking on this, like you can get a PDF of this research paper, but you don't have access of this research paper. So what to do if you need this one research paper? So what you have to do, just click on the research paper that you want. So here I am clicking on this to just give you a demo. So after searching for this, as you know that you don't have access to research this research paper, so what you have to do is just you will get a link like this. So just you have to right click on this and copy link address. You have to just copy this link address, and then what you have to do is just open another search bar or another tab, then search for Sci-Hub, or you can also call Sci-Hub. I usually call it Sci-Hub, but it's not Sci-Hub, it's Sci-Hub. So what you have to do is just click on the second one link. Then what you have to do is just paste the link address that we have copied, and you have to click on open, or you can also simply press enter. So guys, our research paper is absolutely ready. As you can see that we have access of this research paper right now, and you can also download it on the form of PDF. Like from here you can get a download button. So here I'm clicking on this. Then you just have to select the location or select the file name, so you don't get confused or annoyed. Where is my research paper? So here I'm saving this with a particular name, like financial 6 or 678, so that I can remember where I have saved this or which name I have put it into. So just click on save. So as you can see that our research paper has already downloaded. So just click on open, and your research paper is ready in the form of PDF. You can just go through this, and you can download any of the research papers that you want to download, but you don't have a free access of in Google Scholar, but you can download through Sci-Hub application or Sci-Hub website that so many websites are given. So guys, that's it for today's video, and if this video is helpful for you, then do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you want me to show your comment like this, then you should have to subscribe the channel and bell icon press, and do not forget to write on the comment heart learning attitude. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, love you, bye bye, see you next video.